Manchester United planning for summer squad overhaul. Sources. Manchester United are preparing for a summer overhaul that could see 5 players leave Old Trafford, sources have told ESPN FC. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, appointed permanent manager on a 3-year deal, is set to shake up his squad regardless of whether or not his team finish in the top 4. Club captain Antonio Valencia, 33, will depart on a free transfer after 10 seasons, while Matteo Darmian, who has not started a Premier League game since December, is keen to return to Italy. Juventus and Inter Milan are among the clubs interested in signing the defender. There are also growing concerns that both Ander Herrera and Juan Mata could leave for nothing when their contracts expire in the summer. United are still in negotiations with both players but have so far refused to meet their demands, and if the standoff continues, they will become free agents on June 30. There are also doubts about the futures of defenders Marcos Rojo and Eric Bailly, while Solskjaer will be given the final say about whether or not to listen to offers for Alexis Sanchez, who has struggled since his move from Arsenal in January 2018. Sources have told ESPN FC that Paul Pogba is not for sale at any price. United's usual approach to the summer transfer window is to work on bringing in 3 new players, but sources have told ESPN FC they are willing to change their plans if there is an exodus from Old Trafford at the end of the season and more new faces are required. It means the squad could go through its most extensive overhaul since Louis van Gaal signed 6 players and sold 8 in 2015. Solskjaer has already held discussions with Executive Vice Chairman Ed Woodward about his summer targets. Further meetings are planned with the recruitment team to narrow down the list of potential signings before May, with a right back, centre back, right winger, and 2 midfielders all on the agenda.